Perez on the floor together with Arrigo.
And Yutok giving them a hard time to make that inbound. Vergara. Vergara for the win!
Oh!
Sean Vergara
Oh!
with that big three. Overtime. Tingnan natin ito.
Tignan natin, why, that's too far. That's too far para
Oo,
dito kay
layo.
Lorenzo. Kaya talagang, kanina pa maganda yung shooting nito ni Sean Vergara.
Oo.
Sabi siguro ni Sean Vergara, wala nang injury yan.
And again, kanina, he's playing not 100% pero kakalimutan mo talaga ang injury when you are when the game is on the line. Yutok and Lorenzo.
Let's see.
Here's the box play.
Then I think they'll go to Kiefer.
Keeper with the ball. Keeper by Perez.
One.
Keeper
Shot.
for the win!
Ah!
Keeper!
Ah!
Alas!
Keeper!
Keeper Alas! What
Whoa!
a great comeback! And for the win for Perez.
Night!
Keeper Alas! Wow!
Wow! Keeper! Alas!
A magnificent shot! Keeper!
Let's take a look.
Ito yung ito yun, no? Look at that shot. One-hander!
Wow! One more time. Look at Perez. Good defense by Perez. Walang foul yan.
Wala. And keeper was looking for the foul, pero keeper with that, yung control of the ball, yung experience na dala-dala ni keeper, and that night as he takes a look at that, and what a game cover.